checking out?
Yeah, so for me, I think biggest thing, I mean, this place is humongous, like huge.
Big.
Yeah, it's huge. It's big. So it's a little overwhelming. I mean, I know when we left, my wife was like, "You're telling me you're gonna go look at lawnmowers and grass stuff for like 3 days?" And I was like, "Yeah, you know." And I was thinking, you know, maybe a day, day and a half. And when we got here and we walked around, I probably haven't even seen half the stuff, and we could probably use another 2 days to see everything because it's large. There's a lot of stuff. You get talking to people, you run into people, you know, you see a booth you like, and then you want to just kind of chat with them for a little bit. It ties up some time. It's wild.
Go subscribe. Keep Off the Grass. Livecast. DIY lawn care. But yeah, no, I agree with what you were saying. I don't even think I've seen 30% of it. Like, it's like overwhelming. And then like just meeting everybody too and talking with everybody. Like,
outside's wild. So it's we can let Brent and Olee talk about it a little bit, but I mean, you want to play around with the backhoe, you want to drive some lawnmowers, you want to drive some ATVs, some aerators, whatever you want to do, it's out there. So hanging out with KOTG, he's an alum. He is one of the founding fathers of KOTG. So yeah, we threw out the old bait. Hey, we're gonna be over at Barenbrug. If you miss that feeling of going live, and I mean that hook pulled him over here. So he had to come over, stop on, and hang out with the boys. I think what he really saw was the old bush lattes, and he's like, "Man, I gotta try me one of those." So
that can. That's nice. Couldn't see it. It's like camouflage.
Yeah,
Nice.
So from you, have you been to one of these before?
No, it's my first one.
So this first one, me too. What's your like 20, 30-second takeaway of this event?
Well, meeting everybody in person, meeting everyone in person is awesome. You know, it's like everyone is a lot taller than what you think. And then,
or shorter.
Yeah. And then, you know, it's my yard's 5,000 square foot, and I don't even need like 95% of this stuff here. But it is really cool to see all of it in person. And it's mainly just meeting everybody. You know, meeting everyone's awesome. Meeting all you guys in person. You know, it's a lot of fun. You know, and you get to see all the famous people. I mean, internet,
like you.
3,000 followers. Like Justin's over at Toro. You know, handing out koozies. And you just keep making circles, and they're giving out monsters. So you just keep walking around, drink the monster. You walk around. Everything's free here. It's awesome.
So, or you go to the food court, it's super expensive. Like a Coca-Cola is like $4 or something over at the food court.
Yeah, they had $4 water deals over there. Yeah. Oh my gosh. But yeah, and the nightlife here is unreal. You know, last night Ryan Orr was karaoke. You know, and like Matt Martin is like yelling at him. It's not. I was just, you know, all these people you watch, and then you see them in person, and they're just normal people. You know. And some, and like a lot, we didn't even talk about grass, you know, it's just like what's going on, you know, so it's kind of nice.
Yeah, no, I agree. It's, you know, you hit on the nightlife, you know, and that's been crazy, you know, going downtown, wherever, some bars or some eating or whatever, and just getting to know people on a non like grass side, like you said, you know, just talking about, you know, how's your kids and stuff like that. Like just kind of getting to know people on a more personal level, which is super cool.
Yeah.
So,
really, I don't know. I would say what I'm really impressed with is all the robotic mowers and stuff. Like, and I'm not talking just like the little tiny ones that go around and follow a track or whatever. I'm talking like big ones with tracks. You know, you controlled on your phone. That stuff's crazy.
Yeah, legit.
Like if that's really the
like
future,
mowers on tracks,
like GPS
that are
mowers.
big, like big mowers. How big do you think the deck is on those mowers, Zach?
The ones that are real low.
And you gotta have a lot of power to thrust that thing, though.
Not good
with their battery power. Got some torque.